Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need. Open your typing app and call the emoji picker now. On Windows, press Win Plus or Win Plus. That pops it open instantly. On Mac OS, press Control, Command, Space to display the panel. Make sure your keyboard language is set so special characters show, otherwise, switch languages first. Once the picker appears, you can search, browse categories, or pin favorites. This first step gets you into the tool, so you can choose emojis quickly. You'll use search and categories to pinpoint the right symbol. Type a word like smile to filter results instantly. Click or tap an emoji to insert it. On many systems, you can hold or right-click to select skin tone or variant. Once inserted, make small edits, add text around it, resize if the app supports rich text, or combine multiple emojis for nuance. If you use a few often, pin or rely on the recent list, so future insertion is one tap or one keystroke. Finalize your message by previewing how the emoji looks. Remember, rendering can vary between devices, so check on the target platform if it matters. If the picker fails to open, verify the shortcut in system settings and install any pending updates. Sometimes shortcuts change after updates. If emojis insert as empty boxes, restart the app, check font support, or reboot the system. One key tip: test in a different app to isolate whether the problem is the app or the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.